we are going to install this here dump pipe for my Tacoma 2026. It's gonna be fun. I got a torque wrench. Okay. WD-40, dump pipe, and this. Just another day's work. You have to watch out for your feet because somebody might run them over with a forklift.
Goofball.
So now I got the big guy off, and you can see how above you, see right above your head, it's moving.
Oh yeah.
Lower, like this.
Wow.
Dropping it. You can see down under. See that? The toy is actually dropping on the floor. But we're not going to do the tire all the way. We're just going to do it so that I can move the exhaust. Yeah. We did it!
Woo! Hug it like a trophy.
So we're going from this. We're going from this so heavy to this.
Wow.
Yeah.
Sick. Great job, baby.
Yeah, baby. So we'll put this. Oh. So it's 28 pounds.
Wild.
So from that to
You
this.
did that.
Cool, huh, baby? So now you can get a top view from here. Oh yeah. So from that to that. So now we're gonna install the dump pipe right here. So you're gonna take this little guy. You're gonna feed it through here. Make sure it's a little lubed up. Okay. And then put it on these two nuts. There we go. All right. So nut one. Nut one goes on.
Good job, baby.
Like so. Nut two. Alright, so. That goes on. Get your torque wrench. Yep. We're done. That's how you install the 6th jump pipe on the 2026 TRD Toyota Tacoma off-road I-Force Max. Knock on this for good luck, and thanks for watching. So I didn't film it with the old exhaust on, but here's the sound of it.